Hey you guys, it's Rita Lynn. Welcome back to my channel where fashion, beauty, and lifestyle exist. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. Alright, just showing y'all the look from today's Makeup Live on Facebook. My beauty page is RealRitaLynn, so if you're interested in makeup and conversation, go follow, like, and share. Hey you guys, it's Rita. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you haven't, make sure that you did subscribe and that notification bell is turned on. Today we're going to be doing an updated brow tutorial featuring the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen in the shade Expresso. As you can tell, I've already started with a clean canvas, which is my face. Make sure that your brows have been groomed, whether you decide to wax, tweeze, or pluck. It's always good to start off with clear, clean brows. So I am taking the pen and I'm making a very fine line on the base of my brow. This line can be fine because at any point you can go back in and give it more depth and deepen it up. But you want to just create a fine line to start off with. Then you're going to take that pen and you're going to go inside of your brow at the base of that line and you're going to start to make hair-like strokes inside of your brows. So some of them can be short, thick, long, tall. Just you want them to mimic as closely to your natural hair as possible. If you are one of those type of people where you like to have a more bolder brow, then of course you can go in with a heavier hand. However, for me personally, I like to have a natural look. So I am going in really light-handed and I'm trying to create the strokes to mimic the same as my brow style. Alright, so I'm just going to go back in towards the base and the tail of my brow because for whatever reason, this particular brow, it thins a lot more than the other side. And so I'm just showing y'all that you still can fill in those gaps with this pen and it comes out very seamless. So this is what it looks like with the brow not done. This is what it looks like with the brow done. The brow is eating. So of course, whatever you do to one side, you're going to do to the other side. So you're going to apply those same rules. Y'all, I'm not going back and I'm not re-recording this. Again, baseline for your brow. This is not my dominant hand, so I know it looks a little bit yucky, but I'm kind of glad that it does though, because at least it gives y'all the opportunity to see that you can go back and fix it if you make a mistake. So I'm taking the pen and I am starting at the base inside of my brow now, and I'm just making sparse lines throughout, just trying to get those hair-like features inside of my brow so that I can get it completed. Some are short, some are long, some are thick, some are thin. What I'm really trying to do is just create and fill in that base where it's not so dark yet, because I want to kind of have like an ombre effect, if you will. And then I'm just going to continue to do this until I have my desired brow look, which again is just natural. I'm moving that pen up some so I can get those straight lines. And I'm going to do a little bit like down at the bottom so that I can have like that, that beginning look of the brows, So after I have done that, the next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to go in with the e.l.f. concealer. So this is the e.l.f. Camo concealer in the shade Tan. I have my concealer brush here. I don't know what brush this is. I'll list it in the description. But I'm putting the concealer on the back of my hand just to warm it up before I apply it to my face. And I am just going to go under that baseline and I'm going to apply the concealer. I'm doing it very light to start off with just so I don't mess up my baseline. And then as I continue to go, I am going to go in a little bit heavier with the concealer just so that I know it's giving me the coverage that I want, because I am going to go and apply some eyeshadow after I've done my brows. So here I am just thickening up that concealer like I told y'all. I'm letting the concealer be really light up front towards the front of my brows, and as I work my way to the tail or the end of my brows, I am making the concealer a little bit more thicker. So that just means I'm applying a little bit more concealer. Now you're going to see me take the concealer and with that brush I am going to pull it down into my eyelid. This is one of the hacks that will allow you to not use so much eyeshadow base if you do. Concealer can act as your eyeshadow base. So what I'm doing is I'm taking that brush and now I'm pulling that concealer down. That way I don't have mess ton of product all over my face. So take the brush and go ahead and pull it down into your eyelid space. That way you can blend and go ahead and get ready to apply your eyeshadow. Now, I will say that I know this is off topic, but I've really missed you guys so much. I'm so happy to be back recording. I am going to be doing uploads maybe like 1 to 3 times a week, so please get ready for that. Y'all, I've been going through a lot, and honestly, this year for me, year 39, it's a no holds bar, so we're going to get more personal, we're going to get more in depth, and we are definitely going to go on this life journey with each other. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it and teaching you how to update your brows with the NYX Lift and Snatch brow pen. Comment down below if this was easy and if you'll be trying it. If you have any questions or maybe even some tips and tricks, definitely share them with the community. As always, I'm wishing you guys a beat face, a snatch waist, and a lifestyle filled with grace. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.